make that grand opening as well. So
ability and conservation, though many of the challenges
for asking me to be a part of the opening of another awesome attraction.
Ladies and gentlemen, Texas Stingray is now open.
Deep in the sky is wide and high.
Hold on, why do people go to the aquarium in town? Okay.
At all times. That's towards your left. They can all.
In the aquarium department.
What's your expertise?
SeaWorld opened its doors to San Antonio in 1988 and has continued to grow and thrive, provide community opportunities, provide jobs in the hospitality industry for many individuals, including myself. I myself spent about 12 years here at this park. It's a wonderful family environment, and it just speaks to the message of San Antonio. It is the biggest little town you will ever live in, and SeaWorld is a part of that.
we survey our guests every year, and we listen to what they say. And 2 years ago, they asked us to bring a new attraction in with animals. We debuted our Turtle Reef last year. But we also listened to them, and they wanted us to bring in a new ride, a thrill ride, and that's exactly what Texas Stingray is. It's the tallest, fastest wooden roller coaster in Texas. It's 100 feet high, the track's about 3,200 feet long, and it goes up to speeds of about 55 miles an hour. It's a great ride.